Hi, today we are releasing the January version of UCube, and in this video we will look at the UCube update and market perspectives presentation. In this release of UCube, we are revising down our Henry Hub gas price forecast. In the medium term, the revisions are marginal, but in the long term, we revised down the gas price around $1 per KCF. We do not expect North American gas demand to increase over the next year, but due to lower break-even prices, which we observed over the last 2 years, and increased resources from shale gas, we believe it will be difficult for price to move above $4 per KCF. This is illustrated on the last chart as we show the total North American shale production for different gas price scenarios. Looking at the global liquid supply, we can look at the year-over-year additions. The first chart shows the split between the different sources of supply. Rystad Energy projects a slight increase in global liquid supply in 2017 compared to total growth of 2.3 and 0.1 million barrels per day in 2015 and 2016 respectively. The 2017 forecast is based on the assumption that OPEC crude production will be limited to 32.9 million barrels per day. We revised 2017 production upward in the January release with the total expected growth of 300,000 barrels per day. Our revised 2017 production outlook stems from North American shale. Shale production is now expected to grow by 400,000 barrels per day in 2017, whereas the December release estimated a 150,000 barrels per day increase in 2017. The change is based on Q4 2016 drilling activity, which was higher than previously estimated and is thus expected to contribute higher volumes in the short term. Moving on to the global spending, the second chart on this page highlights Rystad Energy's latest view on global activity. For 2017, we expect investments to drop slightly to just above $500 billion. The total reduction in spending in 2017 is expected to be $15 billion or 3%, which is 45% lower than the peak activity in 2014. For the next 4 years, Rystad Energy expects global investments to grow 7% yearly on average. The development in investments is different for different continents. For the continents Europe, South America, and Africa, the E&P investments are expected to fall around 10% in 2017. Russia, North America, and Middle East are expected to grow 5% this year. In Australia, the investments are expected to fall as much as 35% this year. This is due to the completion of the LNG projects in the country. One of the insights this month is a review of 2016 exploration activity. From this, we can conclude that the total discovered resources during 2016 reached only slightly above 6 billion BOE. This is an all-time low volume of discovered resources since the 1940s. At the same time, the chart indicates the discoveries during 2015 and 2016 were more gas-prone compared to the previous years. In fact, in 2016, the average liquids content in discovered resources was merely 40%. Even more telling, the replacement ratio for liquids in 2016 was below 10%. For comparison, the replacement ratio for liquids in 2013 was as high as 30%. Together with the January release, we are also launching our UCube company fact sheet. The PDF gives a detailed overview of all the companies included in the UCube. This fact sheet includes resources breakdown, production profiles, company cash flows, company valuations, detail on key projects, and exploration performances. To get access to these reports, first select the company you would like to look at, then go to Tools, Fact Sheet, and select Company Fact Sheet. We hope you find your UCube update and market perspectives useful, and please contact us if you have any questions. Have a great day.